So if I were to actually go around over here onto, let's say, for example, this plan right here and this plan or this plan, the graphics actually looks the same. So visually, you might get confused at times. So what you can actually do in Microsoft Planner is set a project background so that whenever you go to that particular project, you know that it is that particular project by its visual background. So to do that, you need to go around and open up a board and then go to the board title right here. And once you actually do that, you actually get suggested backgrounds, as you can see right here. So this is the plan name, as you can see, that you can go ahead and change out as you like. And you can even go ahead and assign background to this, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have, let's say, for example. Then you can go around onto video production, let's say, for example, and to set it out as a different background, you can go ahead and simply click on that right here, just like this, and it sets it apart from the other project, as you can see right here. So now, based on the project that you have right here, the plan, you get different backgrounds as well. So by noticing the background, you can immediately tell that you're in a certain project. So you can go around over here. Let's go to the software development as well. So for this one, you can see that you can go ahead and apply background like this, just like this, which makes it look interesting as well and makes it distinctive as well. And that is how you can go ahead and choose project background in Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.